Friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video I will provide you the answer key of class 10th PS and NS answer key. Okay, so watch full video, and you want to download this answer key PDF, you can just search www.arfindia.com pre-final 10th NS and PS answer key. Okay, search, fast search where PDFs are available. And first you are come to this channel, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to like the video and share this video with your all dear friends. Okay, this is your first question. Stars appear twinkling due to multiple refraction of light through different atmospheric ignores with different refractive okay, so this is your answer. And the next answer is the reaction between an acid and a base to produce salt and water, okay, is called neutralization. Okay, neutralization, it's called neutralization. So salt produce salt. Okay, and I will provide you answer key, so please subscribe, share and like the video. Acid plus base is tends to salt plus water. Okay, so here example, first is acid is HCl hydrochloric amla and base is, it means char. Okay, base is NaOH sodium hydroxide, so it's concludes NaCl and H plus OH. H and OH, the both are add and combined H2O. Okay, so that's why NaCl plus H2O is come. So this is your answer. And the next is H2SO4 is acid. Okay, hydro, it's a sulfuric acid. Okay, H2SO4 and is Cu, it's a calcium hydroxide, CaOH ka OH hold twice. Okay, so it's come H2SO4. so here CaSO4 calcium sulfate and plus here OH and here H, here 2H and here whole twice OH, so it's combined. Okay, 2H 2O, it's meant here 2 and 2 4H, so here 2 to the 4 4H also, and 2 oxygen, there is 2 oxygen, so it's combined. This is your answer here, CaSO4. Okay, so this is third answer is formula. Length formula is 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon V minus 1 upon U. It's your right formula, where F is focal length, V is distance of image, U is distance of object. Okay, this is your answer. And the next is if reacts steading to give off bubbles of hydrogen gas and leaves a colorless, okay, it's colorless solution of sodium chloride, CH3 differentiometer. Okay, and the next is Thermit process, the reaction of iron oxide Fe2O3 with used to join to the ralefact is known as the Thermit reaction. Application in daily life. Okay, so next is application in daily life. To join railing of railway track, to join need cracked machine parts. Okay, it's used in daily life. Okay, so here we go for the next question. State Ohm's law. Suggest an experiment to verify and explain the procedure. So Ohm's law, the potential difference between the end of a conductor. So there is a diagram. Here you see that. Okay, this is your diagram here. Okay, this is, I know it's a blur diagram, but practice for it. So the potential difference in a circle directly proportional to the flow of current in circuit. Okay, so V proportional to T, it's a constant. So here experiment, there is answer. Experiment first is connect a closed circuit with the device battery with one cell, plug key iron for resistance and ammeter in series combination and attach voltmeter at the ends of the resistor in parallel combination. So third is now switch on and allow the flow of current in a circuit, and take the readings of ohmmeter, flow of current I, and the next is take the reading of ohmmeter, flow of current I, and the reading in the voltmeter or potential difference V. Note down the values in the table. Okay, so this is your answer key of class 10th PS and NS question paper. I will provide you full answer key after that video. So please subscribe, and full answer key also available on our website. Search arfindia.com where answer key are provided. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Share this video with all your friends. This is answer key of class 10th PS and NS question paper. So we will meet in next video. Thanks for watching. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video we will see class 10th pre-final exam question paper of PS and NS full answer key. I will provide you full answer key of class 10th pre-final examination question paper. Okay, so please like our video, share with your all dear friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and this is your 100% real answer key of class 10th PS and NS question paper. Okay, and you want to download this answer key PDF, just go on Google and type arfindia.com 10th class PS and NS answer key. Okay, so you will find this PDF and direct link, just go and search and check the description box where PDF link also provided. So why do stars appear twinkling? The stars seem to twinkle in the night sky due to the effect of the earth's atmosphere. ठीक है, सो ये आपका आंसर है. यहाँ पर आपको मैंने बिफोर इसके पहले वीडियो में भी कुछ आंसर्स कंप्लीट करवाए हैं, तो आप उनको भी कंप्लीट कर लीजिएगा. ओके, सो हम नेक्स्ट आंसर्स पे बढ़ते हैं. सो ये 6 आंसर्स आपके यहाँ पर कंप्लीट होते हैं. नेक्स्ट हम सेक्शन सेकंड पे बढ़ते हैं. पिछले वीडियोस में, प्रीवियस वीडियो मैंने आपको इनमें से बहुत से आंसर्स प्रोवाइड करा दिए. ओके, सो यू डोंट. सो दिस इज सेक्शन सेकंड. ओके, this is your answers. If you are chilly outside the shower stall, why do you feel warm of bath? So this is your answer. Okay, so this is question 8. Write the electronic configuration of chromium and copper. Why there are experiments in writing their electronic configuration? So here answer, question 8 answer is option point A. First, elements which have half filled or completely filled orbitals have greater stability. So in chromium and copper, the electrons in 4s and 3d redistribute their energies to attain stability by acquiring half filled and completely filled d orbitals. Hence the actual electronic configuration of chromium and copper are as follows. So here chromium is Z is equal to 24. So there is electron pair or unpair of electron half filled, but there is completely filled. Okay, this is called pair. Okay, this is 1 2 3 4 and 5 pair is there. Okay, in copper 5 pairs. This is 20. This is 3d, this is 4s 3d half filled. Okay, so 4s and 3d. Here 4s1 and 3d 5, and here 3d 10 4s1. इट्स कॉपर में आपको 4s1 3d 10 मिलेगी. ठीक है, कम्प्लीटली फिल्ड है. एंड 9th आंसर है अ प्रिज्म विथ एन एंगल ऑफ 60 डिग्री प्रोड्यूस एन एंगल ऑफ मिनिमम डिविएशन ऑफ 30. फाइंड द रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ऑफ मटेरियल ऑफ द प्रिज्म. गिवन दैट A is equal to angle produce of angle 60 and D is equal to 30 degree. Okay, so we know that N is equal to sine A plus D upon 2 upon sine A by 2. So this is your formula. Sine A plus D, it means 60 plus 30 90. Okay, sine 90 by 2, it means sine 45, and above sine A by 2, it means sine 60 by 2, it means sine 30. So sine 45 upon sine 30. Okay, so this is it means, so here root 2. The refractive index of the given prism is root 2. So 1 by root 2 multiplication 2 by 1, because its value 2 by 1 is equal to root 2. Let's find out. Okay, give 2 uses of baking soda. So first is may slow the progression of chronic kidney disease. This is first usage. Okay, and the second usage is may improve certain cancer treatment. Okay, this is second, may improve certain cancer treatment. This is section third. Okay, so this is section third. There is a periodic property trend in groups and periods. Okay, metallic nature increase, air periods decrease. Electroactivity here increase and decrease. Electron affinity decrease, also decrease. Okay, ionization energy and electron affinities decrease, and also there is decrease, decrease and decrease. The okay, so here that. So here next question is, please subscribe our channel for more videos, share with your all dear friends, and don't forget to subscribe. And you want to download this answer key PDF, search arfindia.com where PDF are available. Explain Faraday's law of induction with the help of an activity. So apparatus, galvanometer, coil, bar, magnet and procedure. Okay, first connect the terminals of a cell to a sensitive galvanometer as shown in the figure. Okay, galvanometer, and normally we would not expect any deflection of needle in the galvanometer because there is no EMF in the circuit. And the third, now if we push a bar magnet towards the coil with its north pole facing the coil, the needle in the galvanometer deflects, showing that a current has been set up in the coil. The galvanometer does not deflect if the magnet is at rest. If the magnet is moved away from the coil, the needle in the galvanometer again deflects, but in the opposite direction, which means that a current is set up in the coil in the opposite direction. If we use the end of the south pole of a magnet instead of the north pole, the result, the deflection in galvanometer are exactly opposite to the previous one. Okay, so this is your question answer. Here also find that. So this is your sixth point. The activity proves that the changes in magnetic flux linked with a closed coil produce current. So conclusion from this Faraday's law of induction can be started that whenever there is a continuous changes of magnetic fluid linked with a closed coil, a current is generated in the coil. This induced EMF is equal to the rate of the charges of magnetic flux. Okay, so here diagram also passing through it. So this is 12 question answer. The 13 question answer, name two element that you would expect. Okay, so here 13, this is question is very blur. If you have this question, so read them, okay, and learn them. This is not clear, I have not clear, but you have clear, so that's you read those questions. So next is 14th. Write down the characteristics of an element having atomic number 17. So that's Z is equal to 17, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. Period number is 7. And in the element is highest principal quantum number, hence it belongs to the third period. Element family, p block element. Okay, so here valence electrons is 7. So the element has 7 valence electrons in the outermost shell, 3s2, 3p5. Valence is 1. The valence is the number of electrons needed to complete the octet, so that the element 2 at 7 need only one electron to achieve noble gas configuration 288. It means Utkrishta gas. Okay, so here non-metal. Answer 9, option 9 is non-metal. Okay, so here 15th question, Ohm's law. Before this video I was share a video where Ohm's law is clear and perfect. Okay, so you can just, and you can also read this Ohm's law. Okay, So here materials required, what materials required is 5 dry cells, 1.5 volt each, conducting wires and an ammeter, a voltmeter, then a thin iron spoke of length 10 centimeter, LED and key. Procedure: connect a circuit as shown in the figure and solder the conducting wires to the ends of the iron spoke and close the key. Okay, and the this is iron spoke. Okay, this is iron spoke, this is battery, and this is key. Okay, make the diagram, learn this is diagram. And the next is, now connect two cells in the circuit and note the respective readings of ammeter and voltmeter in the above table. Okay, and fifth, repeat the above procedure using 3 cells, 4 cells and 5 cells respectively. Record the values of potential difference and current corresponding to each case in the table. And the next is, this is your fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh point. Okay, read them. And the last is the eighth point, V upon I is constant. And the ninth point is, from this we can conclude that the potential difference between the ends of the iron spoke is directly proportional to the current passing through it. This Ohm's law. This is Ohm's law. So this is 16 questions answered. Okay, right is option. First object placed between focus and optic center. Answer is A. So this is your answer key of class 10th pre-final PS and NS answer key. Watch full video and share this video with your all dear friends. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video. And you want to download this answer key, search arfindia.com where PDFs are available. So we will meet in next video. Search arfindia.com. Thanks for watching.